Summer should be simple, and that's exactly what this is. Grilled chili mango is exactly like it sounds. Peeled fresh mango, sprinkled with some chili powder, a little bit of cayenne for heat, and some lime juice. Quickly grilled just to give it that sear and the flavor. Then finish off with some lime zest, a little bit more juice, a little bit of cilantro, and you are ready to serve a perfect side at your next summer brunch. This couldn't be any easier, any more summer, and it's all coming up on today's Wise Guide. In the summer, I look for things that exude the essence of summer. I mean, yeah, it sounds easy, but why not pick simple things that have a lot of great flavor and just enhance them slightly so you can serve them up really quickly? One time I was at this awesome farmer's market, and I loved that one of the vendors just put a huge mango on a stick. I actually don't know how they got the stick in there because the pit is really big, but then they just doused the whole thing in chili powder, some lime, I don't know what all flavors, but then they just ate it right off the stick. I loved it, and ever since I've been craving it. So this is exactly the flavors I am looking for, simplified just a little bit so you can serve it up to anyone who comes over for a brunch, lunch, snack. It really doesn't matter because this is good all the time. To start, you just want to peel some mango. Make sure you get fresh mango, and you might want to let them ripen a few days at home. They want to be slightly soft to the touch, but firm. You don't want a bruised and gross mango, because then it's just not going to grill well and just kind of go gross. Once you have them peeled all the way around, you can just slice them. Mango are not the easiest to slice because what you don't see inside is this huge pit. You can't take it out like you do an avocado, which would be so nice. Instead, you have to start at the top and horizontally make a big slice down the side. This is gonna give you one big piece of mango, and then you can do the same to the other side. With the rest of it, you can kind of chop it up into little pieces and eat it, or just suck it off the pit because it's really good. But you won't get any more nice pieces. Once all your mango is prepared, you can just put skewers on it. Now, you totally don't have to do the skewers. I just like it because then it's a way to serve it. You can put it in the middle of a large brunch spread or any kind of table you're having, and people can grab it with the skewers. I'm putting 2 in because it's kind of slippery, and that way you can make sure you can really grab it and it won't just slip off the skewer. Once they're all in skewers and on the pan, you can just drizzle them with some oil. I'm just using a neutral oil, which for me is gonna be safflower oil or sunflower oil. Otherwise, you could just do a vegetable oil. Once you kind of spread that oil around evenly, you can top it with some lime juice. Just squeeze that lime right over the top. These flavors play so well together. You get the sharpness of the lime, but then the sweetness of that mango. It just makes your mouth have that like perfect puckery taste. Sprinkle on a little bit of salt, then some cayenne pepper. Now, you can go crazy with this if you want to, and if you know anything about me, you know I go crazy. I love the cayenne, I love the heat. Cayenne won't give you a ton of flavor, but it gives you some awesome heat. So to supplement that with more flavor, I put chili powder on, because then you get that really good chili flavor. Once the chili is on, you can just go out and grill this. Turn the grill up to high, let it really start to smoke, and then just sear these off. The 2 skewers make it much easier to put these onto the grill, so just line them up down the center and they won't slip anywhere. Once you get the grill marks, really that's all you're looking for because that's gonna be some flavor. Pull them off. You might need a spatula as well because they could be a little soft from the grill. Place them back onto that pan and then bring them inside. Once they're cooled off, you can just finish these however you want. I like to put them on a platter, put a little bit of fresh lime zest over the top, a little bit of chopped cilantro. I don't know why, but cilantro plays perfectly with these chili flavors. I mean, hello, chili, cilantro, it just makes sense. And yes, if you don't like cilantro, leave it off, but having that pop of green is really nice too. People can grab these, serve them up, they are gonna love them. They're that sweet heat treat that you just love to have and you crave more. Once you try these, I know you're gonna be in love. If you agree, make sure to like, share, subscribe. For the recipe, go to the description box, and for more awesome recipes, visit wiseguide.com. Yeah, that's me. Until next time, see you soon.